How to change your background in your Oculus Quest 2. So, if you want to go ahead and change your environment on your Oculus Quest 2, so basically where you're standing when you open up your Oculus Quest 2 or your little background, you should be able to do this in your settings and into your personalization. So to get there, just go ahead and navigate to your quick settings or anywhere you can find this option, which is your settings. Press on your settings and you should be able to find more of these options. So what you're gonna have to do is find this. If it's different from yours, you could go ahead and search for that, but find something that says personalization. So that's where you can change this background. So once you press on that, you will get this option, which is your virtual environment. You'll get different kinds of backgrounds you can choose from, anything that can fit your mood or whatever you just prefer. You can just go ahead and scroll to see whichever environment you'd like to have as your background. So just go ahead and select whichever you like and confirm the process. Then your environment should just change to whichever you have chosen. You also have text personalization, but that is a different topic. So this is pretty much how you change your background in your Oculus Quest 2. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.